So starting off, this is our financial aid team. So we have Miss Kelly and Miss Tina. Miss Tina is also our VA certified official.
Nice.
And they're gonna help you with your FAFSA and filling out all of your financial aid information.
Okay.
We have our coordinator for our student services department. She actually works alongside our director of student services, who is down this way.
Okay.
Our campus president office is right in here. Actually, this is our student services team now. So they help with interview skills, resume writing, job placement, all that fun stuff. And heading down this way is our instructor room. So if you need it, there is free tutoring available. Mr. Foote and Mr. Lilly actually have their offices right in here.
If they have applied and not had an authorization to test,
And
don't
this
do
is
anything.
admissions. So anytime you need help, you're not sure where to go, anybody back here can help you out. And this is my office. We're actually coming out to the massage therapy area now. So this is where you'll be. Actually, our Dean of Academics office is right down this way, so you're gonna be very close to him. But this is your classroom, so let me show you inside. So this is where you're gonna be. So as you can see, it's a pretty small class. We like to make sure that things are personal, that you're able to really get the attention that you need. So nothing super big or super overwhelming. But this is your lecture room. And actually, right next door is a clinic. So let me show you that. Now you are actually one of the programs that does their externship, or what we call clinic hours, right here on site. Most of our programs do them off-site, but you will be able to do them right here. So this is our clinic office. This is actually where you're going to be able to do your class time, as well as do any type of clinic when you work with the general public. So what you're going to do is actually get 100 hours of hands-on experience. That allows you to put it on your resume, so when you're applying for jobs, is you have 100 hours working under your belt before you even graduate. So come on in. But this is where you're gonna be. So you're gonna spend a lot of class time in here. It's really important that you understand not only the lecture side, but also how to put that into practice. Do you think you could be successful in this type of environment?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How do you think this would help kind of propel you forward?
I just feel like it's very hands-on and realistic in the real world as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Because you need to get that practice. You don't know how to give a massage unless you're
You
doing it
actually
every day.
do it, right.
Yeah.
Correct.
So these actually do close on the sides. That way it is a teaching clinic. So when you're doing your hands-on, you're working with the public, you do have a clinic supervisor who will be able to monitor you and answer any questions you may have.
Great. Great.
So that's actually you. That's most of massage therapy.
Nice.
But let me show you the rest of the school so you know what's going on.
Okay.
Right here is our pharmacy tech class.
Mhm.
And in here is billing and coding.
Okay.
So as you can see, our students have specific designated classrooms for their program. We're very program specific here, so we want to make sure that you're prepared for the real world when you leave. This is our job board. So like I said, we do help with job placement. Our student services department helps you with that. So for massage therapy, you have tons of different options. You have chain spas like Massage Envy and Hand and Stone. But you also have really upscale spas. You have Wild Dunes and Woodhouse. You could go a totally different route, do the more neuromuscular side, and work in a chiropractic office like a Line Life.
Okay.
So you have different options. What's really cool with massage is you're not pigeonholed into anything. You have different routes that you can go. You're never gonna be bored. So it's gonna be good in terms of longevity in the field. Our student break area is right here. So you get your breaks, we will hang out, we get lunch break. We are Wi-Fi connected, and our student entrance is back there. So parking front or back. virtual, so you can do everything online, but we are open until 11 o'clock at night and open Saturdays as well. So we're open Saturday mornings. If you want to come in and study, this is available to you, but certainly can do it online at home. Now we're going to head down this way a little bit. So just so you know, there is a full cap and gown graduation. We typically have it once a year, so it'll be really cool for you to actually be able to walk, wear the different colored cords at graduation, be able to have people cheering you on. So as you can see, it is a really exciting time.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Now, down this way, we actually have a few different programs going on. We have business, IT, radiology, and we're gonna have sonography. So that's all down that way. But I wanna show you our pharmacy tech and our medical assisting area. So actually right here is medical assisting. So if you know anybody who is interested in that field, they do a lot of things actually working in the physician's office as well as working in hospitals. So they do blood draws, EKG, CPR, that sort of thing. So their hands-on portion is right here. The classroom is right next door. And this is our pharmacy tech room. So they actually have a lab as well where they do their hands-on portion. They learn not only the retail side, but they also learn how to compound medication. So they'll learn how to make the drugs themselves.
Okay.
We have another medical assisting room. Like I said, we keep our classes small, so we want to make sure that you're able to ask the questions and not be in an environment where you feel really overwhelmed. This is student testimonials. So this is just a few words from our graduates. As you can see, these are the different color cords that you may earn. Dean's List, Honor Roll, Leadership Distinction. If you do some volunteer events, you get credit for that. Yeah. Do you see yourself up here at all?
Yeah, I do, definitely. Yeah,
Here's a massage therapy one right here.
right there.
Yeah.
Well, awesome.
And we're
I'm
actually,
into this.
yeah, good. Now we're back to the front lobby. And we have our ACC SC accreditation right here posted.
Nice, okay. So you guys are official.
We are.